Hello friends, in this video I would be teaching you people about reproductive health, which is class 12th chapter from NCERT. And let's get started with the video, and it's a very important chapter for your boards exams and also for your NEET exam. So let's get started. The programs at national level to attain total reproductive health as a social goal is called family planning and was initiated in India in 1951. My mother is a family counselor. Saheli is a new oral contraceptive for the females and was developed by scientists at Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow, India. Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. The population of India was approximately 350 million during the time of independence and crossed 1 billion in May 2000. That is, every sixth person in the world is an Indian. According to 2001 census report, the population growth rate in India was around 1.7%. The marriageable age of Indian female is 18 years and that of the male is 21 years. Periodic abstinence is the natural method of contraception in which couples avoid coitus from day 10 to 17 of menstrual cycle when ovulation could be expected. Lactational amenorrhea method of contraception is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the menstrual cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. Condoms are barriers made up of thin rubber or latex sheath that are used to cover penis in males or vagina or cervix in female. Nirod is a popular brand of condoms for male. Diaphragms, cervical caps and walls are the physical barriers of contraceptive methods made up of rubber that are used by females. The method of contraceptions which uses Lippes loop are included under non-medicated IUDs, multi-load 375 under copper releasing IUDs and LNG20 under hormonal releasing IUDs. Non-medicated Lippes loop, multi-load 375 CUT CU7 under copper releasing and LNG20 under hormone releasing. IUDs increases phagocytosis of sperms within uterus, and copper ions release suppress sperm mortality and fertilizing capacity of the sperm. Coppers decrease sperm mortality and IUDs increases phagocytosis of sperms. IUDs are ideal contraceptives for female and are widely accepted methods for contraception in India. IUDs in India. Oral administration of small doses of either progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination is one of the contraceptive methods used by females. The oral pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days by a female, starting preferably within first 5 days of menstrual cycle. Oral pills inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as the quality of cervical mucus to prevent or retard entry of sperm. Saheli is a new oral contraceptive for the females containing non-steroidal preparation, and it has to be taken one time in a week. Administration of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination or IUDs within 72 hours of coitus acts as emergency contraceptive. A sterilization procedure in male is called vasectomy and in females is called tubectomy. In males it's called vasectomy and in females it's called tubectomy. Intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, or induced abortion. Nearly 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed in a year all over the world, which accounts for 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. सोचो ज़रा 45 to 50 million MTPs are done. 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. Government of India GOI legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester, that is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. What? It's safe during first trimester. Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, are also called venereal diseases or reproductive tract infections. Assisted reproductive technology technique assist infertile couples to have children. In vitro fertilization followed by embryo transfer is commonly known as test tube baby program. After IVF, the embryo up to 8 blastomeres are transferred into fallopian tube and the technique is known as GIFT. After IVF, the embryo more than 8 blastomeres is transferred into uterus and the technique is known as IUT. The art GIFT is used for female who can't produce ovum but can produce suitable informant for fertilization and development. ICSI is a specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which a sperm is directly injected into the ovum. In AI technique, the semen collected either from husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced into vagina, and when introduced into uterus of female, it is called IUI. So this is all about this chapter, reproductive health. I hope you like the session. So do like, subscribe to my channel, and all the best for your examinations.